Hey guys, welcome back to channel how to run ads on Instagram in 2025. So there's a complete guide. Just tap your Instagram account, and first of all you will just have to convert your uh personal account to in professional. So we will just move in the right bottom corner option, and now we will just tap on the top right three lines. Just tap. So I will already convert my account in professional dashboard. So we will also teach you how to you get. So we will just move and just tap for creator and tools and scroll down. And as you can see, there is an option. Third last option is add new professional account. So just tap. So you will just set up and we will back. And in profile, as you can see, you will just see this type of dashboard, professional dashboard. So if I want to just boost my post with the run ads on Instagram, so if I just selected this one, and there's an option of boost post, so just tap. So right now you will see what do you want to people to do when they see your ads. So just visit your profile or visit your website, message you, a mix of action. So you will just have to choose it. Just next, who should see your ads? Special requirements, suggest audience, create your own. So just next, what's your ad budget? So from here you will just have to select daily budget or duration, and after this you will just see the total. And then next, so right now you will just have to add funds from here, and you will be able to run ads on Instagram in 2025. So that's it. So that's the shortest way of run ads on Instagram. Easiest. Thank you so much for watching.